In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to batch compress photos with Affinity Photo. By the end, you'll know how to quickly shrink file sizes for a whole folder of images while keeping them looking great. First, you don't actually need any images open to run a batch job. If you do have some open, go ahead and close them so your workspace is clean and the process is easier to follow. Now open the Batch Job dialog. In the top menu, go to File, then choose New Batch Job. This brings up the Batch panel where we'll set everything up. Next, add the photos you want to compress. Click the Add button and select as many images as you like from your folders. You can select a range with Shift or pick specific files with Control or Command. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right files before moving on. Choose where you want the processed images to go. In the Output area, set the destination folder. You can save them back to the Originals folder if you're confident, but to be safe, it's usually better to pick a new folder so you don't overwrite anything by accident. This also makes it easy to compare before and after. Now pick the output format. For the smallest file sizes with good visual quality, check JPEG. If you prefer, you can select other formats such as PNG or WebP. Just remember, PNG is lossless and often larger, while WebP can be very efficient and modern browser-friendly. If you want to reduce sizes even more, resize the images. In the same row as JPEG, enter new width or height values. This is one of the most effective ways to cut file size, especially for web use. Make sure the aspect ratio box, often shown as a little chain or letter A, is checked so your images don't stretch or squash. As a guideline, setting a long edge like 1920 pixels works well for on-screen viewing. Next, fine-tune compression in the export options. Click the small three-dot button next to the JPEG output. Lower the quality slider. Somewhere around 70 to 85% is a great balance for most photos. Lower quality equals smaller files, but watch for visible artifacts. If your dialog shows estimated file sizes or preview, use that to judge the trade-off before you commit. When everything looks good, start the batch. Click OK to run it. You'll see a progress panel as Affinity Photo processes, resizes, and exports your files. Once it's done, open your output folder and spot check a few images to confirm the quality meets your needs. That's it. Fast, efficient, and repeatable.